Hey friends, if you encounter the error desktop not responding or frozen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now let this list load. Okay, we'll go to the Processes tab. Let this list load, and if you find the Windows Explorer process, right click on it and then select restart. If you don't find this process, then it will be down in the background processes or Windows processes, but it will exist on the system. If your desktop is existing, the Windows Explorer process will also exist. Now we'll have to play a little with the display drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the active display adapter like this one. Select properties, driver, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. Then select rollback drivers and finally uninstall the drivers. Click on OK, click on action and scan for hardware changes. So the last solution will be to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on apply. So I click on disable all, then apply, OK, and restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.